Welcome to your guide to the Norton Task Chair. Inside your packaging you will find a seat and chassis unit, the mesh backrest with pre-attached lumbar pad, one pair of height adjusting arms, a 5-point base, a gas lift stem and a set of 5 twin-wheeled casters. Assembly. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Place the gas lift into the wheelbase, make sure it's secure. Place the seat unit on a stable stand. Position the arms with the bolts and once they are in place, tighten securely. Locate the chassis fixing points under the seat and use the bolts supplied to secure. Take the backrest unit and slide into the location point in the chassis. Use the bolts to secure tightly. Lift the seat unit and place it onto the top of the gas lift. Make a final pass on all the bolts and make sure they are as tight as possible. Functions. Discrete buttons at the front underside of the armrest can be pushed in to release the arm for best position. Release the button to lock. An under-seat lever on the right can be flipped to engage the gas lift, enabling you to easily adjust the height of your chair. Release the lever to lock. An integral anti-shock system means if you unlock the tilt when the back is reclined, it will only release when you are in contact with the backrest. And that's it. Enjoy your Norton Task Chair.